In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate text for social media using Canva. Whether you're creating content for Instagram, Facebook, or any other social media platform, adding animated text can really make your posts stand out. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to Canva's website. If you don't have an account already, you might want to create one, but if you're a returning user, you can simply log in. Once you're on the website, locate the Login button at the top right-hand corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. If you're using an external account like Google, you might see your account displayed. Click on that to continue the login process. After you're successfully logged in, navigate to the home page. This is where all the magic begins. If you have a pre-existing project with the text you'll be working with, go ahead and open it. If not, you can create a new project or select a template that suits your needs. Find the text you want to animate. In this case, we're going to focus on a specific text. Click on the text box that you want to animate. This action will open up a variety of options, but what we're interested in here is the Animate button. With the Animate button at your fingertips, you'll see a range of animation styles that Canva offers. For example, you could select the bounce animation. It's a fun and dynamic option that adds a bit of character. However, you're not restricted to just that. There are plenty of other animations to choose from, like fade, pan, or pop. Play around with these options to see which best fits the aesthetic you're aiming for. Once you've chosen an animation, you'll have the ability to adjust its intensity. This allows you to control how subtle or pronounced the animation effect will be, giving you the creative freedom to match the vibe of your content. Next, move on to the second text box if you're dealing with multiple pieces of text. Click on it to repeat the process. Go to Animate, choose your desired animation. In this case, we might go for skate. And then again, tweak the intensity to find that perfect balance. The final step is crucial. Preview your animations. Make sure everything flows smoothly and that the animated text enhances the overall message of your social media post. You can make any necessary adjustments until you're satisfied with the outcome. And there you have it. You've successfully animated text for your social media post using Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it inspires some creativity in your content creation. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy designing!